Hello and welcome back to the channel. We are experiencing a snowstorm. I know the camera always lies, but it's a lot of snow. It's like, I think I have over 3 or 4 inches of snow on the road. I will explain why. There's a good reason for that. One reason, it's snowing a lot. But the main reason is, wait, there's a car behind me. I have to. Ja. Då kör jag. Är han i vägen, då kör jag. Just talking to myself. If it's not gonna move, I go. I clean that crossing later. We're gonna do this all night. I had a breakdown. My plow broke down, so I had to get a new one. The extra plow. The spare, I think the correct term is. And of course it didn't fit to my truck, so it took some time, and it snowed like crazy, so I was almost an hour late. But hey, that's what happens. You can't be perfect all the time. So I'm using the grader blade all the time, if you hear it, to get rid of all the snow that is piled up or stuck. When you cars going, and there's a lot of snow on the left side, so they go close to the middle line. The other plow truck is stuck, or no, he isn't. I thought it was stuck. Yeah, it's a lot of snow in the other direction, so they go close to the center line. So it's a bit narrow when we pass each other. So I will start with cleaning up all this big road. Sorry. Having trouble getting up the hill. It's a lot of snow to push. Har du hittat någon snö? Ja, har du hittat någon snö?
Jag vet inte vad det är.
Ja, jag går.
Jag var tvärs där, korsningen får du fortsätta.
Ja, dra bara upp den lite grann, så vi lär ju få komma ett varv till alldeles strax.
Ja, jag ska bara ta 2 drag.
Vänta, ska jag backa. Just letting him finish. Jag passerar. Just told him that I was gonna drive by, so he doesn't reverse into me. I asked if we have found some snow. He said, yes. Now you can see. See, there's a lot of snow on the road. There's at least 3 inches, 10 centimeters. I think it's more. It's just supposed to increase later in the evening. It's 24 minutes past 6 in the evening, so it will snow like this for another 5 hours. So I guess we will have another 3 inches. The forecast said up to a foot or more. So we'll see. 25 to 30 centimeters. I will make this video and I will upload it, and then I'm gonna start a live stream. This is the kind of weather I want to do live streams in, because yeah, you understand. Oh hell, excuse me, bad word. There's like 3 there's like 3, 6, let me calculate, 9 inches in the middle of the road. So yeah, this was necessary. It's fun to plow when it's like this. And yeah, for the trade eye, you see I have my old plow. For my followers that was with me from the very beginning, recognize that the view out the window has changed. My plow broke down last time I was out, and now I have my old one, but just for a couple of days, and it's good and bad. It's good because it can cope with the snow very good, but it's bad because it's not that good in keeping the road clean. If you understand what I mean. It's shaped in a way so it's really good in picking up the snow and throw it away. There's never heavy to plow with this plow. It's designed to haul away huge amounts of snow, but it's not good when it comes to go all the way down to the bottom of the road. And it's, damn it, I think it's something wrong with it because it's turning by itself. Oh, I don't have time for this. Please? What the hell? Now it's working. Ah. Of course there would be something wrong with this plow. Or something. Too bad it happened with the biggest storm of the season yet. I plowed with this type of plows for all the way from season 14-15 to season 17-18. So from season 18-19 and to this season I have used a Swedish brand, Mälen. Rossö is the model. I really like it. It's a little bit heavier to use because it's shaped different, so it's heavier to push, but it's way better to keep the road clean. But since I use the grader, it shouldn't be any problem. I will change to a better steel on the grader later tonight. But for now, this would do. The snow is so light for now, so it's no problem. So let's turn around. There's something with this plow that is not completely okay because it's behaving strange. With my luck it will break down. So I will only have my grader. I can plow with only the grader blade, no problem, but it's much better to to have this. The road gets pretty clean. No, not too bad at all. I've seen much worse. This is a part I have to do twice. So I'm gonna go back now and do a sweep on the side. And this part of the roads are done. I have a lot, the other big road left, but I want to do this biggest one first. So we get rid of the bit of snow. We don't want any accidents. Traffic. I would be happy if everybody just stayed inside. But you can't have it all. Have it all. It's not that bad. I made a video yesterday, it isn't up yet, this will be up before that. I was out grading some forest roads and it was a beautiful weather. I will edit that video and upload it if I can do it tomorrow or Tuesday. So really nice, snow in the trees and sun. Sun is a rare thing this time of the year. Like blue sky and sun is rare. Even light is rare. It's like 3-4 hours a day with real daylight. But it's going the right direction. Every day it's more and more sun. are turning around and doing the other part, the side. So we turning around. Oh, almost got stuck. Turning the plow. Wing down, and on we go. So, now we are doing the edge of the road. So, mailbox, don't destroy it. That's the problem when we have all this snow to push. With this plow especially, it's really good at destroying mailboxes, and I don't want to do that. I have one mailbox for the last 10 years, so I think it's a pretty good statistics, or whatever you want to call it. You can see the road gets really clean actually. I was ranting on this plow, but it's not that bad at all. And when it's coming down like this, it really doesn't matter. It's 6 hours before I'm back here, and then it's gonna be the same again if it continues to snow this hard. Push. Oh, heavy. All this snow. Bridge. Yeah, I think it's working good. Just I'm talking to myself. I'm getting used to this plow. You know, I have used this for many years, but not for a couple of years. So now I am using it again. So my mind is not with me right now. Traffic. So I'm not gonna bore you with a video that is 30 minutes long. I'm gonna do a live stream. Just want to show you it's a lot of snow to plow. This is the best part of my work. Really nice. So, I'm at the end again. And for you who wants to see the live stream, I am probably started the live stream before the biggest part of you have watched this, but yeah. Then I can say, how do you think? What do you think about the live stream? I will upload this immediately. So. And that's the end of this. Yeah, that worked fine. I'm happy. Just getting used to the plow. Take care, everybody. I'm gonna continue to tackle this storm. Maybe I do another video on the gravel roads. There's a couple of hours before I'm there, so there will be even more snow on the gravel roads. So maybe we see you there. Take care. See you in the next one.